Hey everyone, it's Elaine. I'm getting ready to go to the retreat this weekend, so I thought I'd show you some of the things that I have packed up and ready to go. I have on some funky glasses so I can see the little screen to make sure I'm in the frame. So anyway, I've got my little bag here, and I'm going to get it ready and get it set up to hold all my goodies. So let's get that set up if I can remember how to put it together. Shouldn't be too difficult. Alrighty. So this bag will hold all of my little plastic bins that I have. I'm going to see if I can get it angled right. Some of the things that I want to work on are, of course, I'm going to take the paint that I've been trying to get rid of, and I keep like foamy things, and I always daub my paint on a jelly plate and then I pick it up onto a envelope or whatever. So this is one of the projects I want to finish. So I'm going to see if I can't get it in the cart there. And then this is a lot of scrap paper. What I want to do with this is take some dies. I'm going to cut a bunch of this and try to use it up. Maybe make some envelopes and things like that. So I want to take that. And then this is just some scrapbook paper that I got that is like postcards. So hopefully we'll cut that up. And then this is some other pages out of books and some stickers and things that I hope I can either organize or categorize and maybe even use. So that's going to go in there. Then this box is really heavy. I probably should have put it on the bottom. It's got vinyl and a puzzle frame that I'm going to do. And then inside of this is my embossing powders and Stays On ink and my Versamark pad and such. I'm going to cut up some vinyl for a project that I have coming up. And then this is all kinds of miscellaneous cardstock and things that I'm going to also use to die cut and probably make tags and stuff like that. So it's going in my bag. Excuse me. This is some stamps, some rubber stamps that I've got a little project with. And then in here, I've got a few of my die cuts that I want to do, tags, and then I have some paint swatches that I'm going to use to make some bookmarks to give as a gift. So they need to go in here. And the stamps that I'm going to use for those bookmarks. And then I've got some molds that I'm going to use this air dry clay on. The first time I played with it, it didn't come out so well. They kind of curled up, and when I went to flatten them, they just all cracked. So they're like key locks and frames and book plates that I want to try to use. So I thought maybe if the first day, if I went on and made some of those, then they would have time to dry. So that's kind of filling up my bag here, but I'm not finished. What I don't have here for you to see is I have a whole big box of file folders where I have sorted out, you know, some things that I've cut out of magazines and scrap paper and all. So I'm going to take it. It needs a little fine tuning, but I have this whole big basket that I need to do as well. This is going to be the very last project I work on. Though it's a mess, it's a contained mess, and it's not that important to me. And then this is just some magazines, or not really magazines, catalogs that I'm going to take just to use to glue in. I also have my Stencil Girl journal that I'm going to try to work on a little bit and finish. And then this is my catch-all journal that, you know, I was telling you I pretty much do one every year. And then I have my Stencil Girl stencils that I'm going to take. Now I've got a big binder of the larger ones and the smaller ones in like scrapbook pages. But I'm just going to take that one. And then I have my little Wonder Woman basket here. It's got different dies that I want to make or cut. And then this is like napkins and dried out baby wipes. But that's going to be my kind of, if I make a mess, that's where I need to go container. And I see right there, let me pull this out. Sorry guys, looks like that came off of my baby wipes. They'll dry out before long and I'll have more dried ones. So that's that. And then, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but I have some of my cabinet doors that I am going to take. I have 2 of them sold, so I'm going to take those to get paid. Got my die cutting machine, and I have my big board that's a sink cutout that I'm going to take for my tabletop, that I have a flat surface. Because sometimes if you have to work on those plastic tables and you stamp, they give, and it is aggravating. The other thing that I have here is my little tote that's got scissors and glue and all kinds of miscellaneous stuff. So I guess that's really it. Just kind of wanted to give you an idea of things that I've pulled together. I'm sure there's probably a couple things here at the last minute that I have forgotten. So anyhow, just getting home from work. And Sissy's sitting over here, not paying me no attention. Let's see if I can get her in the picture. She's chewing on a little bone, but this is my bestest friend. And anyway, so I guess that's really it. And if you have any questions about anything, like I've said before, just give me a message down below and click on that little picture of Sissy down there to subscribe. And I appreciate you coming by and checking out my messy living room while I try to get set up. Anyway, I guess that's about it. So I'm going to step up here now and turn off the camera. So hope you all have a good weekend. Bye-bye.